How to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can set WhatsApp profile picture without having to lose any quality. So let's just get right into it. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your WhatsApp, and after you open your WhatsApp, just go to any DM that you want, and here you will need to send a picture now. So after you just go to the picture section and just send a picture, tap on the picture, select it, and tap on next. So what we'll do is we'll tap on the HD up there and make sure that it's on the HD quality, and after you do so, just send it. So after you send it, it will get sent in HD quality, so it's for really good quality. All you need to do is now save this, and then what you can do is you can either save it and change it, or you can just go to this set as my profile photo by tapping on it, and then your quality will not get dropped and it's on HD. So just do this, tap on choose, and after you do so, your profile picture will get changed. So as you can see, my profile picture is now changed and it's of HD quality. So that is basically it, guys. That is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to leave a like down below, and if you have any questions, just comment it below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.